going, everybody? Everyone who watched the Hangout last night knows that I said I ordered my wiring harness on Tuesday or Wednesday. It was supposed to come Monday. Today is Friday and it's already here. So this is the box, and we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. Just like the prior part I bought off of eBay. The company is called Pinwall Cycle or something like that. It's in Ohio. They've treated me good so far. I've been impressed. They definitely got me the stuff I've ordered sooner than the shipping date. Would have no problem recommending them so far. So let's get to unboxing this and see if the harness looks as good as the pictures does. So for this, we're going to change the camera view a little bit. And here's the box. We're going to open it on the non-label side. See how it looks. This wiring harness came off a 2014 KLR 650 with 1,200 miles on it. So this harness should be pretty much new. Packing peanuts. Lots of packing peanuts. I'll come right back. Okay, I got something to put the packing peanuts in. So definitely not afraid to secure it. Good for a company doing this. It looks like it's in a bag too. Yeah, it is. And there it is. Anything else in here? They are definitely generous with the packing. Okay, let's put this off to the side. Get back to this. So it's actually a big Ziploc bag. There she is in all her glory. That's the fuse box. That's the back of the bike. Looks like it must have crashed in some dirt, because there's some dirt by, looks like it went on the left side because that's where the there's that little grounding thing on my harness. Here's the quick connect. There's the one going to the, yeah, it's all here. That goes up. This goes to the ECM. That's the headlight sockets. The other part of the harness. And Kitty's going crazy. So it looks like it's just a bunch of quick connects. Should be pretty self-explanatory. That's the grounding wire. I'm just confused to why there's two coil wires. These definitely go to the coil. These ones I'm not sure where these go. I guess we'll find out. That goes to the... I'll figure it out. Anyway, that's the harness. I will start probably working on this Sunday. I'll start pulling the old harness off and start putting this on. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching.